$47,700, $34,700, and $10,100. And this is the amount of money people have made on the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And in this video, we'll be talking about what the program is, as well as the benefits, requirements, how to join, and also about how to choose products. We'll talk about key elements to creating a viral video, things not to do in a video, and this is to avoid any TikTok violations, how to maximize your earnings, and the key takeaways for this video. The TikTok Shop affiliate program lets creators earn money by promoting products in their videos or live streams. It allows creators to partner with brands and add product links to their content. When viewers buy through these links, creators earn a commission. The commissions range from 10% to 40% depending on the brand. It's a way for influencers to monetize their content while helping brands reach new customers. And here are so many products on the product marketplace that you guys can see. Each product has a different commission. It depends on the brand and the item as well. Here you can see all of the best sellers. Here it shows you how much commission you get for every sale, and also shows you how much inventory this company has for this specific product as well. And there's so many products for you guys to choose from. And if you like a product, you can add it to your showcase. And what's really nice about the TikTok Shop affiliate program is that you don't need any inventory. You don't have to deal with customer service. You can work with brands that you love and earn money. The requirements for this program include you have to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 5,000 followers, and you have to have a TikTok account in good standing and meet TikTok's community guidelines. And this is how you're going to join the program. And here's also a video showing you how you guys can see if you're eligible for the program and how to join the program as well. And if you do meet the requirements, all you need to do is click on apply. When choosing products, make sure they have high positive customer ratings, over 1,000 sold, the higher the better, a high amount of inventory, and from a verified TikTok Shop seller. And this is because some sellers sell fake products. Once you choose your product, you can either get a free sample from the TikTok Shop seller, sometimes this may take from a week to receive, or you can buy it off from another website to save time. And this is so you can start creating your videos. You need 3 key elements to make your viral video. You need your hook, and this is to grab your viewers' attention with something eye-catching or unexpected. And this is so they can watch your entire video. And you also need a body and call to action. And here are some examples of hooks. If you do this, I automatically assume desired outcome of the product. Why aren't more people talking about this? I can't believe more people aren't talking about this. Stop doing this. Target audience for the product is screwed or in trouble. Examples of visual hooks include a random microphone, suddenly sit down, put on makeup or skincare, catch something, take a sip of your drink. Make sure to have high quality lighting to show your product. Keep it short, use captions, be creative, reply to comments with the video even if the video has nothing to do with it. This will help with your views. If a video goes viral, make sure to create similar types of videos, make it the same length, caption, and everything. To avoid any TikTok violations, make sure to read all of the TikTok Shop content policies which is on the TikTok Shop Academy. And make sure not to say the following words: weight loss, dupe, cure, cortisol, and hair growth. Also, don't say symptoms, viral, or appetite. Try to avoid supplements, vitamins, or anything with weight loss. Go TikTok live every day because it will help with your video views and it'll also help you make even more money. If you feel like you're not that good at making videos, try going TikTok live for at least an hour and a half every day. Remember, consistency is key. Try to post from 3 to 5 times per day. Go live every day. And remember, all it takes is one viral video that will make you thousands of dollars in commissions, so don't give up. And thanks for watching.